Cha-ching! Hey guys, and thanks for watching. In previous videos we talked about fiberglass fillets and what they are used for. Today we are going to look at some of the more common tools used to form them. Okay, here we have some basic tools. First up is your finger, typically used with a fiberglass roller or bubble buster. Then we have our jumbo craft sticks, or mixing sticks. Spoons, plastic or metal. Wax fillet tools, also used for baking decorations. A typical caulk tool. And finally, my homemade tools. First up is your finger and a fiberglass roller. This technique includes applying your fillet material, then using your finger to roughly shape the fillet. Then you lay your fiberglass into the fresh fillet material and wet it out with resin. Using your fiberglass roller or bubble buster, this one is about 3/8 of an inch, you would basically push the fiberglass into the fillet material and the roller is going to give it its radius. This technique is fast as you complete the fillet and glassing together, but I'm really not a big fan of it. The reason being, as you push the fiberglass into the fillet material, it tends to spread behind the fiberglass. So then in some areas you will end up with the weaker fillet material spreading in between the fiberglass and the core it's trying to bond to. This can make the joint strength more inconsistent than the typical two-step process. You can never have too many stir sticks. These jumbo craft sticks will make about a 3/8 inch radius, which is okay for lightweight fiberglass like 6-ounce cloth. They are cheap, disposable, and allow for consistent fillet to be formed. You can sometimes find them with bigger radius, but the price point tends to go up. Next up are spoons. Metal or plastic, either can work. You do have to be more careful to maintain your angle when using them. The curved back and varying radius of the edge can sometimes lead to a wavy fillet. For this reason, I stopped using spoons a while ago in favor of some of the other tools shown. These tools are usually heated up and then used for smoothing out wax fillets when creating a mold. They are also used for cake and pastry decorating. I bought them a while back thinking they would be the ideal tool. They do work, but because they are round, they tend to drag the fillet material rather than smooth and scrape it. The fillet will be consistent, but require some cleaning on the edges. This is a tool for caulk. Get your mind out of the gutters, guys. Available at the local hardware store, it has a flexible rubber head with multiple size options. As you can see, they tend to be smaller radiuses and really not well suited to making fillets. However, this is a great tool to use for quickly cleaning up a joint after bonding panels together with thickened resin. Once a thickened resin or bedding material sets up, you can then go back over the joint to make a fillet with a bigger radius using a different tool. These are what I'll be using most often now. It's a simple homemade set of tools using readily available washers welded onto bolts. Each cost me less than $1 to make. You can make something similar with a jig or hole saw and some thin wood or plastic if you don't have a welder available. They are clean and consistent like the craft sticks, but I can choose to make any radius I want and they are reusable, so I'll never really need to replace them. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and please leave a comment or any questions below and I'll get back to them as soon as I can. Thank you for watching.